Hey, this is Brian Andrews Sr. on another adventure, the Silver Comet Trail. Yeah, that's right, I'm back on the Silver Comet Trail. Yesterday I rode on the roads, on the real streets. That's where you get some real training. Today I'm just doing this a high amount of calorie burning. I'm going to burn thousands of calories. Yesterday was for some serious training, but today I am going to Grady Road. I am going to tackle Grady Road, and I am going to attempt to tackle Grady Road like a true champion. Well, not actually like a real climber. How about that? But anyway, my first video I made about Grady Road was kind of slow. This one, hope you'll see some improvement. Grady Road is something serious, folks. It's the part of the Silver Comet Trail that no one wants to talk about. They don't show you that part because not many people go to Grady Road, but I'm going to Grady Road today. If I can get my shoes on. Come along for the ride. Yeah, come on. I see you. A lot of preparation for a bike ride. See you. Hey, this is Brian Andrews Sr. and today I'm riding on the Silver Comet Trail. Let me give you, some of you cyclists, a bit of advice. And I had to learn it the hard way. The Silver Comet Trail is excellent for burning calories. You want to come out, you want a casual ride or a strenuous ride, you don't want to worry about being mowed down by vehicles, this is the place to be. But when you're training for a century or any other ride on the roads, you actually need to train on the road. This thing right here, see how flat it is, how smooth it is? It will spoil you, and you will not be ready for the road. This is Brian Andrews Sr., another adventure on the Silver Comet Trail. See the people, they ride. It's an excellent place to get some exercise. Brian Andrews Sr. Okay, another thing about Grady Road, me riding the Grady Road, I gotta ride 30 miles just to get there. And once I get to Grady Road, it's nothing but mountainous hills. It's crazy, folks. They should put a warning at the base of the hill, especially for those who are beginners. Grady Road is serious. I've got about 26 miles to go, and I'll be there. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, this is Brian Andrews Sr. on the Silver Comet Trail. I said that I was going to go to Grady Road, but you can see, yeah, it's raining. I didn't know it was coming. But anyway, rain is coming, so I'm not going to see the town, not today, but maybe tomorrow. That's my friend Gustavo right there. Say hello. Hello. I just met Gustavo today on a ride. But anyway, this is Brian Andrews Sr., and we'll see you on the Silver Comet Trail. Woo! Ha! Ha ha ha! Woo! That's it! I gotta fix my telephone, man. Yeah. When we get to a store or something.
Yeah, I can stop.
Yeah. Can you stop right here?
Oh. Stop right here.
Yeah. Yeah. It's God, man. My feet are wet now.
Yeah.
Everything.
Everything. Man, my baby shoes.
Huh?
My baby shoes.
Oh.
One day I put it on.
That's good.
That's good.
That's good. Yeah, man. Ain't no joke.
Let's go.
Yeah. And watch my back real good.
Yeah.
I like riding in the rain.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, good. It's a tunnel, a bridge. Yeah, yo, stop. And fix my telephone. All right. There you go. Woo. The day I decided not to check the forecast. Okay. Oh yeah. Yeah. Hey, if you wait too long, you get mucho frío.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you wait. Get cold. Well, this is Brian Andrews Sr. We got caught in the rain, you see. I said I was going to go to Grady Road, but it looks like it's not going to happen today. We got a few people under the bridge taking shelter from the rainstorm. So you know I'm not kidding. Well, I still get to do 60 miles a day. Well, almost 60. Not bad. That's me and Mr. Gustavo over there. We met him on the trail. We're getting soaked. We're going to keep riding. You going to keep riding? Yeah, we're going to keep riding. The only thing about this now, I know my wife going to make me take a shower. That's the only thing I hate about riding my bike. Other than that, it's all good. Brian Andrews Sr. We'll see you.